Let's talk about the Hoop Fun Club. I am super excited to tell you about this new club we are starting in 2021. Hi everyone, I'm Zandra Shah from the Embroider Shop, and let me tell you, the Hoop Fun Club is an educational machine embroidery club like you have never seen it before. It looks like 2021 will be a year that we will still be sewing apart. So we have decided to come up with structured educational videos and tutorials to teach you everything about machine embroidery. There's no better way to learn machine embroidery than to actually do it with all of these techniques. We will be teaching you everything there is to know about different stabilizers, needles, some tools that you can use, and of course machine features. We will be bringing this one-on-one club to the comfort of your house. You don't have to go and look anymore for education. We are now bringing it to you with the Hoop Fun Club. Each month you will get one project, one pack of exclusive designer embroidery designs, as well as some quilting designs, which we are starting off with edge to edge. If you don't have a long arm, this is a perfect technique for you to use smaller hoops and create a big quilt like though you've got a long arm. We will be teaching you each one of these techniques, and every month will be different, challenging you to learn more. We are super excited because we also have a community in our Hoop Fun Club. Our community is like our family, and we will be sharing with you some ideas. You can share your photos of what you've made, ask questions, and just be part of a community. You are no longer sewing alone. We've got you. We will be helping you all the way, and we are now your Embroider Shop family, and you are part of our Hoop Fun Club. Now, you can sign up for a yearly membership, which will cost you $300 for the year, meaning that 2 months is already for free. For signing up for a yearly membership, we are going to make it even better and give you a $300 value design pack extra in July. If you are signing up in December for this club, we are going to add the pattern for the sewing espadrille shoes, and we'll teach you how to do this. Don't you think every sewer in the world needs one of these pairs of shoes? They are so much fun to make, and they are easy to make. So you will get these patterns if you sign up in December. But we also have a monthly sign up option. If that will be a better option for you, you will also get the sewing espadrille patterns if you still sign up in December, and then you are on a month-to-month basis with your membership club. We are going to knock it out of the park with our embroidery club. If you go and look what is the content for January, you will realize the value you will receive. It's not a few design packs you are collecting education. Mila and Zandra is going to sew you through 2021, and you are going to be part of this wonderful community. So, who's in on the Hoop Fun Club? Think about it. If you are signing up for a monthly subscription, it's basically $30 for the month, and you are going to get more than $100 value. I will also be doing live webinars every month where you can win prizes, you can ask questions, and we're holding your hand with this, helping you all the way. So think about this. For $1 a day, we are going to keep the depression away. I'm waiting for you inside our community of the Hoop Fun Club. Sign up now.